Do you know that moment when life seems to be upside down, everything is falling apart, and you ask yourself, what else can go wrong? Guess what? Your angel has a message for you. Someone very special has recently ended a relationship. And unexpectedly, the universe brought you into their life. It wasn't in the plans, but that overwhelming connection, that feeling that this person was perfect for you took over. The conversations flow, the meetings happen, and you feel that energy pulsating. A new beginning is knocking on your door. Want to know more? Stick with me until the end of this video. You won't want to miss what comes next. This person was immersed in a whirlwind of feelings and pains. The heartbreak had left deep marks on their soul, and the scars were still fresh. For a long time, they carried the pain of lies and betrayals, feeling trapped in an endless cycle of hurt and distrust. Every new lie discovered was a blow to their already wounded heart, a constant reminder of their vulnerability. They believed they could never trust again. The feeling of being completely shattered overwhelmed them, and they did not see a clear path to healing. The desire to shut themselves off from the world was strong. They wanted to protect themselves, to avoid more suffering. The idea that they no longer wanted relationships was constantly on their mind, not wanting relationships anymore, as they needed to take care of themselves, their mind, their body, their soul. When you appeared in this person's life, it was like a revolution. They were not expecting it, not ready to open their heart again. But you know, love does not follow a calendar, it simply happens, suddenly. You both started something new, a relationship full of possibilities. It may be that you met online, or maybe you are dealing with distance, but the communication is constant. Your thoughts are always occupied with that person. There is a constant presence in your mind. That person has already faced many battles in the field of relationships. She was deceived, betrayed, went through painful situations. She had to learn to get back up after each fall. And now, when everything seemed calmer, you appeared and stirred everything up. If you are talking and you feel that this person carries many scars from the past, that she has been hurt, understand that she is seeking something different now. She wants honesty, transparency, a sense of security that may have been denied before. She is in a healing process, rebalancing herself. The pain from the past is still there, but she is managing to deal with it, finding a new balance. Getting to know you brought a sense of relief, as if she could finally share her feelings with someone who understands. It is a relief to have someone to talk to about all this, someone who does not judge, but understands. This person was about to give up on love. After so many disappointments, the idea of opening her heart again seemed impossible. Then, in the midst of this whirlwind of emotions, you two meet. Two weary hearts, but still beating, with similar stories of pain and overcoming. From the beginning, the connection between you was intense. Perhaps it was destiny, or God, putting you on each other's path. Time is funny like that. Sometimes it seems like everything aligns exactly when it needs to. The attraction was instant. Some conversations, a lingering gaze, and there, the heart started beating faster. You felt that this person was special from the start. It wasn't just the appearance or the voice, but something deeper, a sense of belonging and mutual understanding. Passion bloomed fast, but not in a superficial way. It was as if each exchange of words, each smile, created a stronger bond. This relationship is not just about physical attraction. It's about care, about understanding and respecting the other person's space and time. That person, who was so hurt in the past, is now allowing themselves to feel again. And you, with all your scars, are also opening up, slowly, but securely. There's no rush, just the desire to truly get to know who is by your side. She listens to you for real. Every story you tell, every detail you share, she holds dear. This isn't something you see every day. This care, this attention, makes you feel special, valued. And it fills you with a joy you thought you had lost. You feel this connection, this spiritual bond that goes beyond the ordinary. It's as if destiny had orchestrated the meeting of you two, aligning every detail so that your souls would meet at the perfect moment. You find yourself dreaming about her, thinking about her constantly, noticing the signs that the universe, or rather God, puts in your path. It's as if everything is conspiring in favor of this union. She wants you to know that there is a genuine attraction, a spark of love beginning to grow in your heart. She wants to offer you more. She desires to have the first date, longs to see you, to share special moments, to get to know who you really are. And there is nothing artificial about it. She genuinely appreciates you, loves your essence, values every detail that makes you unique. There is something magical in the creativity that brings you together. Perhaps you share a passion for crafts, music, movies, painting, drawing, books, or any other form of artistic expression. This common interest was probably what started the conversations between you. Do you remember that moment of wow, I like that too? These exchanges of ideas and experiences created a special bond. The conversations flow naturally, effortlessly, and you feel incredibly at ease. There is a feeling of comfort, of being with someone who truly understands you and values your passions. You are living your life, without great expectations in love, maybe even avoiding thinking about it. The truth is that this person was not seeking a relationship either. They went through a difficult breakup, were recovering, decided to take a break from all of it. But then suddenly you appeared. Everything changed. They wonder, what's happening? I thought I wasn't ready for this, but you make me want to try again. With you, it feels different. You're showing me that it's worth believing in love again. All that fear of getting hurt disappears when I'm with you. Talking to this person brings a sense of comfort, a familiarity as if you've known each other for a long time. This feeling is mutual. Both are putting aside the fear, that hesitation of opening their hearts again. They realize that it can be wonderful to open up, to allow themselves to love again. There is a huge desire to be seen, to be loved by this person. The emotion of meeting each other is palpable. The idea of traveling to see each other, being together, feeling each other's scent, kissing, all of this makes the heart beat faster. They want you to know how important this is to them. They keep saying, I want to get to know you, I need to see you, I definitely want to get to know you. And it's not just to you that they say this. They tell their friends, share their feelings, I need to meet this person. It may seem crazy, but my intuition is screaming that this is right. I feel deep down that this is meant to be. There is a silent and powerful certainty within them. They want you to know how excited and determined they are to take this step. It's not just a wish, it's a deep need. And this connection, this mutual desire, makes everything seem possible, makes all fears and doubts dissipate, giving way to hope and the expectation of a future together. That's what they feel, and that's what they want you to know. You are more or less on the same level. Both were ready to meet someone. You didn't know you were ready, nor do I think, but it happened and it feels good. You feel, look at me, I'm here, I want you, I just want this to happen. I feel like I'm meeting my other half. Where have you been all my life? How come we didn't meet before? It doesn't make sense that I'm just discovering who you are now. I feel like I've known you my whole life. There may be someone who is already involved in another relationship, not necessarily, but there is this uncomfortable feeling of, I have to leave something behind. If I want to be with you, I'll have to accept that something needs to end. I need to find balance within myself and in my own life. You both were living your lives, busy with your daily routines, without realizing that something was missing. And then suddenly, your paths crossed in a way that seemed predestined. It's amazing how life surprises us like this, bringing special people in unexpected moments. There is an indescribable connection between you, something that cannot be explained just with words. It's as if, from the first encounter, you knew you were meant to meet each other. Every glance, every smile, every gesture seems to say, "I'm here, I see you, I want you." There is a deep feeling of familiarity, as if you have known each other for a long time, even though that's not true. It's a wonderful and, at the same time, scary feeling. You wonder how you could have lived so long without this person in your life. Their presence seems to fill a void that you didn't even know existed. It's a meeting of souls, a reunion of two halves that finally complete each other. But, along with this joy, comes restlessness. Maybe one of you is involved in another relationship, or maybe both have responsibilities and commitments that make this new connection difficult. There is an internal conflict, a need to balance what is and what could be. You know that to be fully with this person, something in your current life needs to change. It may be necessary to leave behind old habits, relationships, or situations that no longer serve your growth and happiness. This decision is not easy because it involves pain and uncertainty. However, the desire to be with this person, to explore this deep connection, is stronger. You feel it's worth facing any challenge to be by their side. It is a process of self-awareness and seeking balance, both internally and externally. The truth is that you love each other, and that is something amazing. Perhaps you have not yet said the magical words "I love you," and I understand that this may seem like a big step. It's normal to be afraid, it's natural for you to think, if I say "I love you," I will seem too needy. It may be too soon. I don't want to go through another disappointment. And that's okay, really. The most important thing is that you deeply care for each other. This genuine affection creates a special energy between you, something that says, "I want to take it slow, but I can't deny how I'm feeling." You will have many conversations about these feelings, and that's great. The person by your side is not someone who will hide secrets from you. They value transparency and honesty. They will share how they truly feel and how they want your relationship to evolve. This sincerity is a precious gift. They will be clear about their feelings, their true intentions, and will say with an open heart, "I love you, I want to be with you. Let's make this happen. I know it seems fast, but I want you, I want to be with you." And hearing that, feeling that certainty, warms the heart. These words are not spoken lightly. They come loaded with emotion, with a desire to build something together, to face fears and insecurities side by side. Because loving is that, wanting to be present, wanting to make it work, wanting to build a future together, even if the path seems uncertain. This person sees something special in you, something they want to keep close, care for, and nurture. And you feel the same. You both have this unique connection, this desire to surrender, even if slowly, even if cautiously. And that is wonderful. You see yourself reflected in their eyes, envisioning a future where both support and grow together. It is a feeling that goes beyond words. It is a desire to be there, to be part of each other's lives. This person brings out the best in you, and you do the same for them. Every gesture, every look, every shared word reinforces the special bond you are building. And it is this connection, this desire to be together, that makes everything worthwhile. There is no rush, no pressure. Just a sincere desire to build something solid, to face challenges together, to celebrate the small victories of everyday life. Love is like this, a journey of discoveries and rediscoveries, of growing and evolving side by side. This is a relationship that will evolve quite rapidly. There won't be any games here. This person doesn't want games. This is not a complicated situation. It's about two people coming together and making things work. It will succeed. Things will progress much faster than you think, and there will be no games here, no lies, no one will be kept in the dark, no one will be left behind. This is a situation where two people have been through a lot and want to make it work, no matter what happens. You have been waiting for someone to be honest with you, probably have had people playing games with you in the past. You both deserve to be happy, you both deserve a break, and you have been asking God to give you a break because you have been through a lot, and now it's your time to enjoy. You have been praying for a fresh start, and at some point, you probably gave up. You probably had one or two situations that didn't work out in the past few years, and it was tough, it was heavy, and this person is going to change your perspective on love, and you'll be able to trust them. You faced many challenges, and every obstacle overcome has made you stronger and more determined to find happiness. There were times when difficulties seemed insurmountable, but your faith and resilience kept you strong. Even when all seemed lost, you continued to believe that something better was coming. And now, this person has entered your life to bring the light and love you've always desired. It is important to remember that this relationship will be unlike anything you've ever experienced. Both of you have gone through experiences that have shaped and prepared you for this moment. You have learned to value honesty and transparency, and that is exactly what you will find in each other. This is the time to leave behind all the pains and disappointments of the past and embrace the new chapter that is unfolding before you. The connection between you will be marked by mutual trust and a genuine desire to make things work. There will be no room for games or lies, only for truth and sincere love. You both deserve this chance to be happy, to find peace and joy in each other's arms. God has heard your prayers and brought this person to you so that you can share a life full of love and understanding. This is the beginning of a wonderful journey, where you will learn and grow together. With each passing day, your relationship will strengthen and deepen. You will be each other's support, facing any challenge that comes your way, with the certainty that together, you can overcome anything. You are souls ready to dive into a genuine love, where listening and mutual support are essential. You not only desire to hear, but to understand each other, to uplift together in every moment. The possibility of building something together, be it a business venture or an artistic project, has always been present in conversations. This special connection between you is not limited to a single area, it overflows into various aspects of life. The shared passion, the mind teeming with ideas, and the desire to collaborate are evident. Let's make this happen. I help in your business, you help me in mine, your ideas are brilliant, let's talk and create together. The physical meeting will only solidify this connection already felt from a distance. The certainty that you want to be together is clear, and soon conversations about sharing a home, a space where both can flourish, arise. I want to be with you, I don't want to wait, let's do this. The desire to be close is so strong that trips to see each other are inevitable, but they won't last long before becoming permanent. You will be a powerful couple, with aligned energies, ready to commit and create a new life together. Leaving behind everything that no longer serves, both of you are ready to embrace the new. Being surrounded by positive people who cheer for your success is a blessing. By leaving the past behind, you are making room for a bright future alongside your soulmate. This person, who seems incredible, is willing to leave everything behind to start a new life by your side. Together, you will create a new, solid life, full of love and partnership. This is a soulmate connection, where there is no room for games, disappearances, or silence. You know what you want and are determined to achieve it together. This is the beginning of something wonderful. It's as if God was conspiring for you to meet. It was about time I met someone like you. This is a new chapter, a journey of love, commitment, and joint creation, where every step taken is a step towards a radiant future full of possibilities. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your decision may be. Type, I receive and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me to claim this message and the blessings it holds for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.